Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have a really exciting double Chanel unboxing to share with you guys. Just to kind of explain these two items ahead of time really quickly. If you follow me on Instagram, you might have seen that I posted my 2021 luxury wish list. I actually posted two wish lists. One was a Chanel wish list, and then the other one was just everything else, like a non-Chanel wish list. So I think there were 5 items in each. And so for the Chanel wish list, there were 4 bags and 1 pair of boots. And then in the other wish list, there was a couple of Louis Vuitton items, a couple of Cartier items, and an Hermes mini Lindy. I'd really like to get that for my 40th birthday. So this year is my 40th birthday year, which will give me an excuse, not that I really need one, to treat myself to these items. And yeah, if anyone has any advice on how to get a mini Lindy at a reasonable price, it seems like it's going to be impossible to get from the boutique here. I'm not going to go and spend a bunch of money at Hermes on stuff I don't really need or want. So I might have to go the resale route. And yeah, so if anyone has any tips or anything, please share that with me. Anyway, back to the wish list. I'm going to try to stick to my wish lists. I've been really bad about sticking to wish lists in previous years. That's not to say I won't stray from the wish list, because, you know, these things happen. So I'm not saying that I'm not going to, but I'm going to try to do better at sticking to my wish list this year than I have in previous years. So I actually shared my Chanel wish list with my SA, and literally within days, she was able to get 2 of the items on my wish list. She is amazing. So that is what these 2 things are. So I'm actually checking 2 things off my wish list already in early January. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking and open them. I'm not sure which is which. So I guess they still had some of the Christmas camellias left, because there is one on each of the bags. And this is a true unboxing. I have not even seen these in real life. I had them sent to me because we are in lockdown right now in Ontario. Oh, the camellia. Whoops. All right, I'll do that. Oh, I'll do that after. But anyway, there's the glittery camellia. The glitter does get everywhere, but they are pretty. All right, so here is the box. Like I said, I'm not sure which one this is, but that's okay. So I guess they ran out of the holiday ribbon, but not the camellias, because this is just the regular ribbon. All right, I'm so excited. All right. Okay, I know which one this is now. All right, this is the dust bag. To reveal. I love it. Another extra mini Coco handle. So yes, I do already have 2 of these, but I am absolutely obsessed with the size. It is the best size in my opinion. I love a crossbody bag that has a top handle, and that is what this is. It is perfect crossbody and has the top handle, and it's just so cute. So I really wanted it in black, just so I could wear it with anything. I also have the iridescent white and the turquoise one with the turquoise lacquered hardware. Yeah, I like this size a lot more than the regular mini size, the size up from this. I still have one of those. I don't know if I will keep it or not. I haven't decided, but I just really wanted this size in black. And I also I realized I have several black Chanel bags, but I do not have one in gold hardware. So this has the light gold hardware. As you can see, the sticker is still on and everything. So I've already shown this bag in a couple of videos, so I'm not going to go into too much detail, but the inside is burgundy. I'm not going to unpackage it right now. This is from 20K, and it just came in. The 20K items are still trickling in even now. COVID kind of threw off the timing for everything, but it's so, so cute and pretty, and I love it in the black with the light gold hardware. All right, so that is one item ticked off my wish list. So, so excited about that. So let me put this aside. Feels like the box is coming apart here for some reason. Okay, have to fix that after. And just to share the price of that one, I know I've shared it before, 4,550 Canadian. Okay, so this is the other one. I'm so excited about this one. This is the one that has been on my wish list for a few years actually. And I finally pulled the trigger. So here is the box, again with the glittery camellia. Let's see if I can get this off. There we go. Okay. I'm really excited to see this one. For this one, I had her send me a lot of pictures because this is one I would have preferred to see in person before buying, but wasn't possible right now. And with a price increase rumored to be happening soon, I did not want to wait on this one. So you can probably guess what it is based on this black tissue. And based on the dust bag, the beautiful white dust bag that we know only comes with classics. And then here's the book that comes with the classics and the care cloth and instructions. All right, here we go. I'm so excited to reveal. Oh, it's all nicely wrapped. You can probably see what it is. So here is, oh my gosh, I love it. This is the 2.55 reissue in the size 225 or size small. And this is in the aged calfskin quilting with black hardware. So it's the So Black. And I have wanted this bag for so long. I did get the mini in the chevron, the So Black mini reissue in the chevron earlier last year, and I thought maybe that would, after getting that, I wouldn't want this, but I still really wanted this one, and I just think it's the perfect size, and because it's black, it goes with everything. I love the distressing. I wanted one that was really distressed, so when she sent me pictures, this leather looked perfect, and it has the black hardware. It is made in France, and let's see what series this is. Let's open it up. Okay, so it is a 28 series, and I'm just gonna look at the receipt to see what collection this is. See here. So this is also from 20K, it says, which is interesting because it's a 28 series, but it's from 20K. Okay. And yeah, the price on this did not go up, although it went up earlier last year. So the price is really steep. This is the most I've spent on a bag ever, including my jumbo. My jumbo was much less than this a few years ago when I got it. So the price for in Canadian is $9,500 plus tax, which is crazy. But it's only gonna keep going up, and I wanted this bag for so long that I just felt like I should just go for it. I'm gonna give it a good inspection off camera, but first impressions are that it is exactly what I wanted, and yeah, I think this is a good early 40th birthday present to myself. But yeah, it is beautiful. I love it. Absolutely love it. All right, so that is my unboxing for today. Let me know what you think, and let me know what's on your wish list for 2021. I'm really happy to have been able to check 2 things off already of my wish list, and I'm really gonna try to stick to it. And yeah, please let me know if you have any advice on getting the mini Lindy. I really love the look of that bag. I just think it's perfect. Again, it's a top handle crossbody, and I just think it's so cute. And I don't know why. That's just the bag that I want from Hermes right now. The only other one I have right at the moment is, or the only one I have at the moment is the Mini Evelyn. And I just think the Mini Lindy would be a good addition to my collection. So let me know if you have any advice on that. And if you like this type of video, please consider subscribing if you haven't already, and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.